Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta Pasta Evangelist, and today I'm going to show you how to make a lasagna sheet. So I have already prepared the egg pasta dough, the traditional recipe. Make sure you check the channel if you want to learn about the vegan pasta recipe or the gluten-free. Now I'm going to cut it in two. Leave always half of the dough into a cloth and we leave it to rest, and we can work with half of the dough. So now we flatten a little bit with your hand. Add just a little bit of flour, just in case the dough will be too sticky. Now you can start with the machine. Remember, you always have to go through number 0. That's the setting on my machine. Sometimes, guys, you can see the opposite. So number 9 is going to be the largest part of the machine. And we are going to stretch it through. Remember, that's very important, especially at the beginning. We want it to fold the pasta dough again and going again through number 0. And I want you to do this for at least 3 times, which it will really help you with the rustic consistency of the pasta later when we start to change the number and getting through number up to number 5. So it's okay. Now, if you feel that the dough is still pretty sticky, don't be afraid. You can always leave a little bit of flour. And then we can move to number 1. Again, always check that the dough has it's really nice and dry, not too sticky, otherwise it will stick to the pasta machine. You can go now to number 2. We have stretched the pasta from number 1 through number 5. So now I have stopped at number 5. If you can have a look at your machine, the setting goes to sometimes I'm number 8 or number 9, but don't go through with the pasta dough as it's going to be too thin for the lasagna. So you need a different consistency. So I will always suggest to stop at number 5. Now you can simply carry your lasagna. It's, you know, very easy. You can grab a knife. I'm using a pasta scraper today, but you can also simply cut with a knife. And then I will suggest you to leave it to rest, the dough, so it dries a little bit, and it's going to be easy for you to prepare your lasagna later. So just leave it on a wooden board for 30 minutes and the lasagna will be nice and dry for you to then mix all together. So now that you have created your pasta sheet for the lasagna, you can simply leave it to rest, allow about 20 to 30 minutes so you're gonna get more dry, and then feel free to prepare your lasagna. Buon appetito! If you liked the video, don't forget to comment and let me know what other recipe you wanted to learn, and subscribe to the channel.